Hi children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see the remaining part of our chapter 3, and last day I had given one homework. You can see the homework answer here, you can just note down. Then now we are going to learn the topic caring for clothes. How can we care our clothes? How can we keep it very clean and tidy? Clean and tidy clothes make us look smart, dirty clothes make us look untidy and can also cause skin diseases. You have to always wear clean and neat clothes, and if you are wearing dirty clothes it will affect us and you don't be looking good, and you will be looking dirty and you will have diseases also, you will get the diseases also. So a few ways are there how to care our clothes. First one, always keep dirty clothes in the laundry bag, means you have to wash and clean the clothes. Dirty clothes should be washed well. You have to wash your dirty clothes. Clothes should be washed separately according to the color and material. So according to color and material you have to separately wash the clothes, otherwise the mixing of color will be there, it will cause damage to the clothes. Woolen clothes should be washed in a cold water and it should be dry cleaned. So you have to care more about woolen clothes, it should be washed in cold water and also keep dry cleaned also. Cotton clothes should be washed in a slightly stronger detergent, and white clothes may be dried under direct sunlight. So according to color you have to keep it well. For cotton clothes you have to keep little soap or whatever it is detergent, and you can wash by using the water. But in the white clothes you have to dry, you can dry it under the direct sunlight. Colored clothes must be dried but not under direct sunlight. If it is colorful, the clothes with color, you can keep it but don't have the direct sunlight. Then next one is remaining points. Clothes should be ironed after drying. So after washing, after drying it, you have to iron the clothes. Then thick and woolen clothes should be kept in a dry place with a thin sheet of old cotton in folds, boxes or cupboards. So all the clothes you have to keep safe well, means in the boxes or cupboards you can keep, and to keep them insect free you have to keep to keep them insect free we must place naphthalene or dry neem leaves in these boxes or cupboards. So to leave the insects to making damages to the clothes, you have to keep either neem leaves or you have to place naphthalene tablets also you have to keep in between the clothes. And see a few festivals just for your no need of learning it, but just you understand about these three festivals. Makar Sankranti, it is celebrated on 14th January. Then in South India, it is celebrated in South India as Pongal, in the name of Pongal. And in Tamil Nadu, people prepare special dish called Pongal. In Tamil Nadu, they have special Makar Sankranti. During that day, they will prepare the special dish called Pongal. And women draw colorful patterns called Rangoli on the floor using rice flour. So they will decorate a shape or in the floor by using the different colors. They use different colors and draw on the floor. And Baishagi, next one Baishagi, it is in Punjab, and in the month of April they are celebrating it as the beginning of a new year, and people wear new clothes and they perform according to different songs and they dance well. Then Onam, as we know, we are celebrating, we are in the mood of Onam. See, it is celebrated in Kerala and it is celebrated in the month of August or September. And what's the specialty? As you know, we will decorate our homes with the floral rangoli called Pookalam. We will make Pookalam, and our Maveli is there, we will have a delicious dish, and it marks the homecoming of ancient ruler Mahabali during Onam. So Mahabali will be there, that's our belief. So about Onam, as you know, we are also knowing the about Onam. Then notes are here. Mention a few ways to take care of our clothes. Dry clothes should be washed and cleaned. So children, any 1 or 2 points you can study according to your 2 easy points you can study. And where should we keep woolen or silk clothes? It should be keep woolen or silk clothes in an airtight box or cupboards. That is the main point. We have to keep these clothes in airtight box or cupboards. Okay, airtight box or cupboards. And how should we keep the clothes insect free? So we have to use 2 options, naphthalene balls or dry neem leaves. 2 options are there, any one of the options you can use. Write it in your notebook. And true or false? Pomegranate skins are used to make yellow color, it's right. Synthetic dyes are obtained from plants, insects and animals. It's false. Then roots of turmeric plants are used to make natural dye. It's correct. Natural dyes are very difficult to make. It's wrong. Then Makar Sankranti is celebrated on 14th January every year. It's right. Then Onam is celebrated in the month of December. It's false. So these are the works, and children, your homework. You have to read the chapter totally and learn the spelling also. Then the notes, 2 notes are there, question answer and true or false. Write it in your notebook and study well. In the next class we can see the next chapter. Thank you.